Alright, what I have here is a new hard drive. Just got it from FedEx, bought on Newegg. It was on sale, 4 terabyte for $124.99. It was a deal I couldn't pass up. And actually I need to get more storage in my main computer because I'm running out. I've already got 2 terabyte and a 4 terabyte, and both are about full. And in fact, I'm probably going to move everything from the 2 terabyte to this one, because it is about 6 years old. I bought it in 2012. It is now 2018. So, and that hard drive has a lot of personal information on it that would basically be irreplaceable. So this will be the replacement. I've had very good luck with Western Digital purple drive, by the way. Get it out of its little packing here. And yep, there it is. 4 terabyte Western Digital WD purple surveillance hard drive. In fact, that 2 terabyte that I'm taking out, I may use that for my surveillance system because I currently only have a 750 gig in there right now, so that would be a good replacement for it. But yeah, this thing is nice, and especially for the price, $124.99 and free shipping. That was no tax. That was the price, you know, the final price, so to speak. So go ahead and cut it open here. There we go. Get the silica gel pack out. So there you go. There is the hard drive. WD-40 PURZ is the part number for it. And yeah, this thing is real impressive. And like I said, I've had real good luck with these hard drives. So thought I'd do a quick open box and overview of it before I install it in my computer. And yeah, I need to do some cleaning on my main computer anyway, so this will be going in as I clean that one out and get it installed, and we'll check it out. Yeah, this is my computer, the main one that I'm on when I'm online or doing my video editing and stuff. And yep, call it my light show for obvious reasons. Got black lights and blue lights and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pull this thing out, get ready to clean it, take the 2 terabyte drive out, and then I can just install the 4 terabyte in its place. And yeah, I'll go ahead and transfer data because that's probably going to take several hours to do, but I want to at least install it and test it out. So yeah, I'll go ahead and shut it down, get everything disconnected, and take it outside and blow all the dust out of it. Oh, what fun. And the external fan, I believe, is locked up. Well, maybe not, but it wasn't turning, so I'm going to replace it with another fan here. So for now, I'll just set it off to the side. Get all the screws out. Yeah, this thing is filthy. I've had this computer probably 12 years. This case, I should say, and been upgrading it ever since. I'll go ahead and remove the video card as well. This one here on the bottom, I don't need it anymore. There we go. I'll do that later. Right now, yeah, this is the 2 terabyte right here. Go ahead and disconnect everything. Okay. All right. Back side out. Filthy. Old Seagate. Barracuda, 2,000 gigs. Yep, 2012. This is an older hard drive, so. Alright, that one's out. Let me get my can of air and I'm going to clean this thing out. Okay, let's see how much dust comes out. can gets cold, nice and frosty. Yeah, it's been quite a few years since I cleaned this thing, so alright, let me go ahead and install the hard drive. Okay, I think we're connected there, so now go ahead and change out this fan. In fact, let me get my electric screwdriver, that'd be better. Okay. Figures. It's going to be a smaller bit. Awesome. Let me get another bit. Okay. Okay, so the fan has to go on the outside because of this giant air cooler. So it won't fit. The fan will be too close to it. So That's why it's on the outside. Let me plug it up real quick here. Alright, so now that's in. Alright, so this is the video card I took out. I don't really need it, but I'll save it for another computer probably. It's already got a ATI NVIDIA in there that is my main video card, so I'll leave that alone. Alright, we're ready to go ahead and reconnect it. Yeah, probably why it's jammed up. It's so loaded with crap. I mean, the blade still turns, but yeah, I'll probably hold on to it, but yeah, the thing is just loaded with years of bugs it's been probably sucking up. So, wow. Okay, there was an option of GDP, I believe it was GDT, and yeah, right clicked on it, and yeah, now it's to the full 4 terabyte or 3,725.9 gigabytes. So now we're ready to create a simple volume. Next, yep, it shows a maximum disk space of 38.15318. We'll name it D drive, sure, why not? And NTFS, we'll leave it a simple format, and we're creating it, formatting, and should be done. There it is. Healthy partition, new volume D. Bingo. I'll just rename it probably RVR 2K18. Why not? Because it is 2018 and it's a 4 terabyte. So let me go ahead and let's see. I want to rename. Well, it won't let me do it here, so I need to go back to just the computer, to the listing, close this out, go to here, and rename. There we go. RVR2K1 8 and 4 terabyte. Let me know the size. And that should do it. Okay, yeah, continue as an administrator. Bingo. And there it is. Done. So, looks like that fan that I installed is making some rattling noise. Yeah, must be something wrong with the bearings in there. I was not aware of that, so I'll probably have to change that out because that's going to be annoying. So, alright, my computer is back to normal, running fine. Got my new hard drive installed. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start moving files, which is going to take probably the rest of the day. So, alright, too much fun. So until the next thrilling video, adios.